Students, the plants like the Datura and the Atropa belladonna, they are also showing the hallucinogenic properties. And the drugs like barbiturates, amphetamines, benzodiazepines, these drugs they have the medicinal importance. But if suppose without any medical prescription these drugs that are taken, then they can affect the body, or you can say they can show their side effects. What are the medical importance of these drugs? That the patients who are suffering from depression and insomnia, they usually use these drugs. And next is morphine. Morphine we already discussed that it is obtained from the opium of the latex. Opium, what is opium? That is the latex of the poppy plant. So morphine is obtained from the opium of the latex plant, and it is used as painkiller and useful in patients who have undergone surgery. Now next we will discuss about the smoking. Tobacco, it contains a large number of chemical substances including the nicotine and alkaloid. Okay, all of you know that smoking it is injurious to health, but still there are so many people who used to smoke every day. Now tobacco, as it contains the nicotine and alkaloid, so this nicotine it is responsible for stimulating the adrenal gland. Okay, so when it stimulates the adrenal gland, then it will releases the adrenaline or noradrenaline into the blood circulation. And because of the secretion of adrenaline and noradrenaline, then what will happen? They raise the blood pressure and it increases the heart rate. Okay, so without any reason the body pressure and the heart rate it increased. Now what are the other effects of the means what are the other side effects of the smoking on our body? They can even cause lung cancer, urinary bladder cancer, throat cancer, oral cavity cancer. Oral cavity means the mouth cancer, bronchitis related with the respiratory tract, emphysema means damages the alveoli, coronary heart disease, gastric ulcer, etc. Smoking it increases the carbon monoxide CO content in the body. Now what is the carbon monoxide? Yes, carbon monoxide generally all of you know that it produces because of the incomplete combustion. Okay, so smoking it increases the CO content in the body, and CO it has more binding affinity with the hemoglobin as compared to the oxygen. Okay, so instead of oxygen, carbon monoxide it will bind with the hemoglobin, and instead of oxygen it will transport in the body, and our body it will become oxygen deficient. Okay, so when our body it will not get the oxygen, then what will happen? All of you know, ultimately it may leads to death. If suppose smoking it will be continued, means it is a prolonged, it has been taken for a prolonged time.